Hey everyone, how's it going? Daniel here. Today we are taking a look at the iPhone 12 in the blue color. So you can see the box there, tinted with blue. We got the blue phone on the front, slightly different box to what we get with the Pro models there. You can see that, but nevertheless, let's go ahead and open it here. Wow, it's very, very blue. My goodness. Yep. That is a deep blue in the same way that Apple makes their like deep product red. So if you love blue, this is definitely blue. Real quick, in the box you are gonna get Lightning to USB-C, little thingy right here, and then just a little Apple sticker in there and a SIM eject tool. Nothing special. A bunch of this box is just nothing. You are of course not going to get a fast charger or any charger at all, so you will need to get your own or use one that you currently have, but odds are you don't have one with a USB-C end, so you're probably just going to use your current charger or buy a new one. It sucks, but that is what they've done. But let's go ahead here and look at the more important thing, which is the color. Can I say straight away that the sides, or at least the stainless steel sides, are a million times better in the way that they look compared to the here the stainless steel. Did I say stainless steel? I meant aluminum. I don't know what I said, but all I mean is that I love the matte finish here on this 12 compared to the 12 Pro blue here. I do like the back more on the 12 Pro, but let's see that there. Yeah, I definitely like this back more, and then just the sides here a lot more. So let's go ahead and remove this front thing. This is the new glass display, which is supposed to be a little bit more durable than previous years. Boot it up a little bit. One of the nice things is that both of these are the exact same size. You're going to be able to put the same cases on either one. So if you don't know which one you're going to go for, you can buy the cases or the screen protector, whatever you need, and it's going to be the exact same thing. We do now have on the iPhone 12 an OLED display, which is amazing. So the iPhone 12 is no longer really that inferior to the 12 Pro. You just don't get as many cameras on the back. And honestly, that's about it. Yeah, you don't have the LiDAR, but yeah, who cares? I think this year you can just choose based on, you know, whatever is cheaper or whatever you like the most, and both devices are gonna do basically the exact same thing, and they're gonna look amazing. You can see there that we do still have that matte finish on the camera bump there, which I do think looks nice. And then we have that glossy finish on the Pro model. So it's basically flipped. We got a matte back, but then glossy, and then matte, and then glossy right here. So hopefully you can just see the colors there. Take a closer look at the sides there, stainless steel versus the aluminum. Definitely love the way that the light looks on the aluminum. I also prefer the way that they feel on the aluminum here. They're not gonna be as durable, so you bump them into corners, you're gonna get dings and stuff on them. But if you're careful, you're not gonna get that. Let's see real quick the cases, just to make sure if I am correct. I believe I am, because everything says 12 and 12 Pro. So we put here a clear case. Yep, it fits just as perfect as it does on the Pro model. Let's see what blue on blue looks here with leather. That actually matches pretty well. It's almost the exact same blue color. Yeah, that's cool. You can see that from the front as well. So I mean, a lot of options here with this blue color. The same way that people who like the red one are gonna like this blue if you're a fan of blue. I'm personally not a fan of actual blue. I like just off blues. So like the specific blue I like baby blues and all that. Not a fan of deep blues, but this phone does look really nice. See how it would look here with the brown case. Very nice. Now to show you guys how this looks while you're texting, here let's just hold off both blue devices here so you can see that there. And you can kind of see the color difference there. Hopefully, I'm not really looking up while I'm doing this. You can see the blue color there. Definitely going to be noticeable from quite a ways just because of how deep blue it is. And then if we get it closer to the camera here, you can see it there. And slightly different lighting conditions there, reflecting. Let's see that not stainless steel, aluminum side. Looks very good. Definitely a fan of the aluminum sides. I think they look incredible. So if you're a fan of blue, this is probably going to be the color to go. And of course, if you are going to go up to the Pro, you're going to love that one as well too. So that pretty much settles it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.